Kule ASK.
Aha.
Yes.
Kule amuna niyo urimi.
Yes. Unajua hii Nairobi ndio nakuanga kubwa.
Yes, it's the biggest.
Yes.
Niko gaturu kaishi gishothe.
Absolutely. And of course, ndio watu wakubuke. Nya dikori kana minister wa urimi.
Ni ule ko by the way? No.
Mo corona.
Aya, by the way. Nani akirete we?
Yes.
Nito kimenyerete every other time ni akiaragagia head yakwa kiri na maundu maya matakiri mega.
Yes.
Aho ni oto mumenyeire muno na ciana cia muitaga oguo.
Yes.
Kwenda kumutengura.
He's a very eloquent gentleman.
Yes. He's very sure of what he's saying.
This disease,
time.
if you continue to behave abnormally, this disease will treat you abnormally.
Yes.
This disease.
Yes.
Of course, he handled the situation very well.
Very well.
Yes.
Yes.
Asa dia kwa kilimo.
Ne waramenya uria ng'ombe irathecwo cindano.
Yes.
Yes.
Na ndo afisa kaka President William Ruto ri mena mutahiri ndadirikana nĩ arikana ka video kariho rĩrĩa wakĩonjũrĩ ari kwa Girigaca atanagweta ndahi na itang'ũri. Yes.
Na tuleto hore mbica.
Yes.
Yes. Wasiona hora mbica. Otoikeria toke.
Ndĩ mũgathe Uhuru aririe. Na agĩthomera wakĩonjũrĩ kidogo. Yes.
Yes.
Na hau of maiga kimwira wageria kũrĩha mbeca icio we.
Omenya kule koinuka.
That was very absurd.
Yes.
We wageria kũrĩha icio pia we.
Hoko ndore. Yes.
Yakiwa waichake heri. Na waichake ruti.
Achake ruti.
Mũgithi ũhĩtũkaga reri na ũkamĩtiga oro harĩa. Ngũma yana hata mũtĩ igũrũ ĩhatũragwo na ĩrĩa ĩngĩ. Tũrĩikaraga o tũkengetete gũtikanendio mwarĩ tũrĩ o gĩthaku. Ũngĩona nguo yumĩte maĩ-inĩ kaigua kĩng'ang'i kĩrwaru no mũhaka twĩtĩkie tondũ kĩng'ang'i nguĩ tũraga kũndũ kũrĩkũ
kũmaĩ-inĩ
akĩrwo we
wewe
ugerie kũrĩha icio mbia we
wewe chunga sana na
kuma ndio ndigũcia nĩ athiĩ na mbere gũtuĩka waziri.
Aisa. Niambire akiagwo kidogo. Yes.
And you know the showground is spectacular. Remember Gen Z matiĩ kwĩhĩndĩ show yarĩ make believe.
Yes.
There is a time.
I don't think akina Stacy na I'm sorry.
Maybe so. Showground.
Ulele kuona wale meta kwati hale ama tuona kichongo ndugu.
Kichwa bila mtu.
Kichwa bila mwili.
Umeshaona kichwa bila mtu? Kabiro-inĩ.
By the way.
Yes.
That was a bit closer.
Kabiro-inĩ showground.
Yes.
Mko na mafoga manene.
Yes.
But highlight ilikuwa hiyo kichwa bila mwili.
Na gaskeleton kagikainaga. Alika skeleton kale ya rwimbo.
Na ndwakuage ndwetikiragio kuereria hau. You might foil the party. Yes. Mũratha wako wetwo Kokotoi. Anaheo wĩra ũcio wa kichwa bila mwili.
Athiga perform.
Yes. Ekara hau ekiro ici cia mbere. Wakueria eka. You see, even if you think it is not true, you don't want to tell.
Yes.
Utaumwa wewe. Wachana na muhinga. Natojo twari very dingy.
Yes.
Gamba cotton. Kena nduma tigo haria kongo-inĩ. Yes.
Niki mekagira hau. Ezino otheri.
Alio munyonyo.
Otheri ne atikono haratigwo hakioneka ri.
Mundu kuharuka kiondo. Digwecia Gen Z no magure undu.
No.
Gen Z can't buy that.
Hapana.
Na haragirwo raini u. Na wona uria andu marauma mamakite. Ukorio ringira ri.
Okamake.
Na yoma?
Omake.
Yes. Tondu waingira wakoria. Habari.
Nzuri.
Habari za nini nimetoka? Ndio eri. Ni wanyaga tugu. Andu igua horo wa Masonic. So imagination yaku ri. You have never seen a horror movie.
Yes.
Koguo ni urona ni ureretwo Nairobi ri. Wimenyere muno. Okay, ndio kaa mara moja. Ama nikumeze.
Ogane ende.
Na atiari gacondo muno ri gacoro kau gakitio bila mutu ri ka tractor uniform cia green na yellow
cia rongo eka ne viuga kau gatiri jeni uniform cia dawa iko yana dawa.
They are still there. Na tukisia mathikoya.
Baada cia cenjirio.
Nyingĩ tunimekera mathikoya. Uniform nĩ cia cenjirio nyingĩ muno.
Green and yellow.
Ona mari teraini hau. Na nĩ ikomi hĩndĩ ĩyo.
Yes.
Kaingira. Kaiguana atia. Ngai.
Ndakinya ũkĩanjarĩria.
Ngai.
Nikiraria.
Hau nĩ maigaskero toni mwena. Nĩgetha one ũhoro nĩ kĩ?
Nĩ real.
Ũmenya rĩu. Ũcio nĩ kichwa bila mutu rĩu ngomi.
Arekiria wera na kehuroka
retired Ugacoka kugathi riu kuria the highlight. I think if you twari na we do not have a lot of big imagination tona ng'ombe cia to fascinate muno kwate kuria kwa ng'ombe ugakora ng'ombe iratatia iria
ika
tigame
mukamo wiki ndwe hata gukua wiki
we menyete kare kanyu ga guthathaiya
kare gucagia no nyondo gagoka
akaruta iria gya magaciri Ocoka igua ati eno iratatia iria ukari what kind of cow is this na ndiri na bara ni ng'ombe cia tene gicagi cia mbogo
muikiria wa mateke na wahea akawe top notch
ugathi kwa ng'ombe mokerorera mavuri meho maiga na hindi gukiire nguru we ukora ati nguru iciarete twananga 16
na tuothe twe muoyo na ndirete ona kamwe
ikomete unokoba
yes
Wacha kugathi kuria kwa Jesse githoitha tattoo
yes
I think I'll go to the showground just for all time's sake.
I think it's up to 20 Wednesday. I think
yes.
I'm not sure.
I think it goes for around a week. 6 days to a week there.
Yes. So I think up to around next week.
Yes.
So
na jenzi ni mamati mathie showground todo thiko ici ni atwikire because ti agriculture. Itago the Nairobi what? Trade fair.
Yes.
Thiko ici to agricultural show of Kenya.
Yes.
Todo tane kiria ona ko keige ne kavisi nyeni terere thukuma na bebe ciarite bebe icho
ithato iki
kwa jesu ciagagia mundu
how
ithato
imwe
yes no gathia ria cio rahingo ni ciauna guikendi yes
yes
let me tell you ayo gethi umuthi ni China ne makona exhibition yao it's a very spectacular stall you would want to visit it me maundu manene hau ucoke uthi kuria gwa Kenya method ya mai ni Mombasa Port Authority
yes
heka mundu kaingira ku mai kana nyamũ cia riera agacomoka bunyu
tagathamaki
but of course aria na we mataheka uhoro ni are mathia kuria kwa DS Joroge DS 10,000 watts yes kogwa koragwo rwimbo wathia andu hai inati high school cia
aria maramenya relax
yes secondary ciothe yes yaigwete yes wakora kukura ino nene mures yes kuna mundu to DJ Pinye yes
tiwajaro
au DS ri au ni hali matuthi ma borithi gutire mundu ta kona mbica ya nduthi ciake
cia borithi manene mathakataki
yes kai tuthi
yes
twende
yes ndio study rioni
oh yes you should visit the trade fair
yes
the agricultural show of Kenya
yes the 5 days so it's up to when
up to 5th
make a date make it's a very twaraciana ushoro face painting there's a lot of fun there oh yes
all right
choko thiuria ciuria nimwe ni mwathiana mwicukuru kala kanyu ke mucene gakoria ciuria nyingi na murenda guthi hau hangi
na mathani marathie
gakoria excuse me when you say electricity is generated from here Kedaluma to here what about this place? Very good question. There's a step-up transformer. Kuri waliumari tuthie kwa kichwa bila mutu.
Kino kina bata.
Yes, ya this ndo kuona katuni.
Na skeleton.
Yes. Ucio kiothie kuria kianda kwa jeshi na borithi.
Very nice.
Oh yes.
All right.